very good day to all of you. Story Nama welcomes everyone, and we would like to wish you a very, very happy Ram Navami festival. Yes, today is Ram Navami, and it is a great festival, a festival of great significance, and it is celebrated with great fervor everywhere. So before we proceed further, let us offer a small prayer to Lord Shri Rama. श्री रघुवीर भक्त हितकारी, सुनी लीजे प्रभु अरज हमारी। निश दिन ध्यान धरे जो कोई, तासम भक्त और नहीं कोई। O Lord Shri Ram, you are the well-wisher of your devotees. Please hear our request. We pray to you humbly with full heart and full devotion. We pray to you every single day. Therefore, O Lord, please take care of us and please keep on doing our welfare every single day. Ram Navami festival is celebrated everywhere with great fervor, and processions are taken out. In the processions, jhankis of Lord Shri Ram, Goddess Sita, Shri Lakshman Ji, Lord Hanuman, along with the other brothers of Lord Shri Ram, that is Bharat, Shatrughan and Lakshman, are also carried out. These processions are attended by people in large numbers, and the processions are beautiful and worth watching. So let us know when and why is Ram Navami celebrated. Ram Navami or Rama Navami, one of the biggest and the most auspicious festivals in India, is celebrated on the last day of Chaitra Navratri. It is very significant day as it marks the birth of Lord Shri Rama, and he was born to King Dashrath and his wife Queen Kaushalya. So there are various traditions associated with the celebration of Ram Navami festival. Special pujas and yajna are performed at the temples. The chanting of Shri Ram's name, Shri Ram's prayer mantras and bhajans are carried out at various temples. Temples are decked up beautifully with bright lights, and devotees throng the temple and worship Lord Shri Ram on this significant day. On Ram Navami festival, devotees keep 24-hour fast in order to pray to Lord Shri Ram. Reciting of Tulsi Ramayana is done, which tells us the story of the life of Lord Shri Rama. Worshippers also wash Lord Ram's idols and decorate them with dresses and make the statue sit in a miniature cradle in order to mark the birth of Lord Shri Rama as a baby, and in his baby form, he is kept in the miniature cradle to mark his birth anniversary. The story of Lord Rama's birth. According to Hindu scriptures, Lord Ram was born on Ram Navami in Ayodhya on this day. He was born on Navami Tithi during the Shukla Paksh or full moon phase in the month of Chaitra according to the Hindu calendar, and therefore this day is so significant for all of us, and therefore the festival is celebrated with great fervor everywhere. So now let us offer a small prayer to Lord Shri Ram. Shri Ramchandra Kripalu Bhaju Man Haran Bhav Bhai Darunam Nav Kanj Lochan Kanj Mukh Kar Kanj Pad Kanjarunam. Shri Ramchandra Kripalu Bhaj Man Haran दारुणम नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारुणम कंदर्प अगणित अमित छवि नव नील नीरद सुंदरम पटपीत मानहु तड़ित रुचि शुचि नौमि जनक सुतावरम बजुदीन बंधु दिनेश दानव दैत्य वंश निकंदनम रघुनंद आनंद कंद कौशल चंद्र दशरथ नंदनम श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरन भव भय दारुणम नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारुणम शिर मुकुट कुंडल तिलक चारु उदार अंग विभूषणम आजानु भुज शर चाप धर संग्राम जित कर दूषणम श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरन भव भय दारुणम नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारुणम इति वदति तुलसीदास शंकर शेष मुनि मन रंजनम मम हृदय कंज निवास कुरु कामादि खल दल कंजनम श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भजु मन हरन भव भय दारुणम नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारुणम श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम। जय श्री राम। May Lord Ram bless all of us with divine bliss and happiness. With this, we again wish you a very, very happy Ram Navami. Thank you.